Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a lip sync video using Dazzy.ai. So I have 50 credits here. Let's start with consistent character first, and then we'll go from character to video, and then video to lip syncing the actual video itself. So here you can create a character, or you can even choose a character. You can build your character here. You do need to subscribe to it. So this is where you can build the character. I'm just going to describe, okay, what you want to create with a character. Okay, I'm just gonna type in like cute pink panda with brunette hair and a pink bow. And then you're going to select generate. Oh, I do need to select a character. Okay, so I can't build one. I have to use this one. But you can build it yourself. Obviously, I'll just use the preset. Let's see, cow cat. So the action is singing while running. I don't know. And then you're going to select generate. Maybe you should type in like is singing a lyric like da 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 da. That way you can like lip sync it later. It's gonna take like a few minutes. Once you're done, you're just going to go to the lip sync area here. Whoops, and that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.